Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Electactic and the Sweetcrispy. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenient features, but which one is the best fit for your home? Let's dive in and find out. The Electactic ice maker features a sleek black design that blends well with modern kitchens, while the Sweetcrispy model boasts an elegant black finish that adds a touch of sophistication. Both machines are designed to be portable, making them easy to move around your home or office. Both the Electactic and Sweetcrispy ice makers can produce an impressive 26 pounds of ice in just 24 hours. They both create bullet-shaped ice cubes, which are perfect for chilling drinks quickly. Additionally, both models can produce 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, ensuring you won't have to wait long for your ice. When it comes to features, both machines offer self-cleaning capabilities, making maintenance a breeze. However, the Sweetcrispy model comes with an ice scoop, adding extra convenience for serving. The Electactic model is designed for portability, making it easy to take anywhere you need ice. In conclusion, both the Electactic and Sweetcrispy ice makers offer fantastic features for home use. While the Sweetcrispy is slightly more affordable, both machines deliver on performance and convenience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.